The candidate who came is related to him.
But you cannot increase.
To him? Why?
No, because it seems to be favoring that particular candidate. Otherwise, when you increase the fees to 30,000, you advertise again.
We are not increasing now.
Okay,
We are
whenever
still
you
Cannot
increase,
increase at all.
whenever you increase,
See,
you advertise.
I'm telling you, almost every council has done that.
But madam, this would
And
have
in fact,
council has
this
done
was a
this thing.
proposal. This was a proposal that came from the other government agencies.
This would have not
ते
discussed.
मल्टीपर्पजाचे की झाला मागे लायसन्स
See, multipurpose is being constructed by the JSIDC on behalf of the Education Board, right? So there was a letter from the JSIDC and from the multipurpose, I think, no, to waive the construction fees. To waive, which chief officer had written. It did not come to the council. Chief officer had written to the DMA. So the DMA wrote to us saying that it is applicable only to the charitable institutions and to religious institutions. So this is not applicable. But we can relax. Maybe we could relax a bit by saying that if there's an urgency because the code of conduct is just round the corner and it is an educational institute, it is not an office of benefit, it is. So we said that we will issue the construction license provided the fees come before they apply for the occupancy certificate or before the renewal of the license, whichever is earlier, which is very fair enough, I said, and on that basis the council has resolved. Now most of the councillors felt that there should be a kind of a written agreement because it is a revenue matter. There should be a kind of a written agreement between or GSIDC and the council, or at least there should be an undertaking given by the MD of the GSIDC that this it should be either before the occupancy certificate or before they apply for the renewal of the license, whichever is earlier, and this has to be approved by the DMA. So this is what was resolved.
What about the free
What was told to us that it is basically to take the vendors and to send them for training, to give them what is about the training for how to maintain the cleanliness. That is what was conveyed to us when I spoke to them. So it is not yet, it is just a proposal, but we may take them up, just to teach them about the cleanliness through the
But
FDA.
your minister was in the past
Many, but
saying
on
that
the-
he want to set up a food center.
On the agenda also it is food hub.
It is a
Exactly.
food hub, but what has happened is in around that area, now all of you know that there is going to be a parking lot.
Parking lot is this side, not in front of the.
आणि तो फूड कोर्ट जातलोच अशें म्हण ठरयिल्लें. So we'll send them for training. We will send a letter that you can. We are not saying develop. We are only saying that you can take those vendors for training.
But don't you think, as a chairperson, don't you think that there are more fast food stores at the old bus stand than at the Kadamur bus stand?
Yeah, but when I proposed it to the council, they were not. Nobody liked the idea. They said you propose it in front of the KTC.
मॅडम गार्डनाचे दिन ना कंदिलाचे दिन ना
Okay, one second. So, opposite जो काही असेल, that is going to be a parking plaza. आणि जे पण आमचे ओल्ड जे पण रिहॅबिलिटेशन ऑफ द गार्डन्स पण जाताले ते कदंबा बस स्टँड त्याचे जर आता थंय
ते फाल्यां सगळे येतले आनी ती सांगताले फूड हॉटेलांक पण या म्हणटाले. जेएसआयडीसी गिवन दीस नो